फॉर एन फैक्ट आई विल से दैट जितना नॉलेज मुझे आज है, अगर मुझे मेरे 16 साल की उम्र में होता, मैं कभी चंडीगढ़ की शुरुआत नहीं करता, बिकॉज आई जस्ट सॉ एन प्रॉब्लम एंड आई focus on solving it on the ground level. I started from one store and I scale up to now 4,000 stores. I recently visited Santri Bazaar. It's one of the smallest part of Agartala. Its Myanmar border is right side and Bangladesh border is on the left side. Over there, the Santri Bazaar population is 10,000 people. Today also they have to go to different villages, different cities to buy the necessary medication, the entire 10,000 people. So we started our store there. मेरा first TEDx talk आज भी उनके official website पे it's one of the most viewed and that was saw by Ratan Tata sir that time and he invited me to meet him in his office and in my first meeting itself he mentioned that Arshan, this is not just an venture but this is an dream what I have saw from many years. I just don't want to invest but I also wanted to mentor you personally.
So profitability से शर्माना नहीं है कभी?
नहीं, क्यों शर्माना है, मतलब बिजनेस तो उसी के लिए करना है ना. इफ आई एम नॉट डूइंग प्रॉफिट्स, हाउ आई कैन रीच 140 करोड़ ऑफ इंडियन सिटीजन? नॉट पॉसिबल. सो आई ऑलवेज से आप एक जन से 1 करोड़ मत कमाना, आप 140 करोड़ से 1-1 रुपया कमाना.
Hello and welcome to Insights with Midas. Yet again, a very exciting episode for you today. We're having a guest who's very humble, very grounded, but has done magnanimous work in the history of pharma. Honorable Ratan Tata sir has also invested in his company, Generic Aadhar, and this company is reaching millions of Indians for really, really affordable medicine. I am honored and having the privilege of meeting Arjun Deshpande today. I hope you really enjoy this podcast and watch it till the end. It's amazing to share a space with somebody who's achieved so much at such a young age. And one of my first thoughts or first questions has been that what was your childhood like? And, you know, were there inspiring moments in your life that got you here? Or is it sort of something that has happened to you in the process of being an entrepreneur?
So firstly, I have not achieved a lot now. It's just 1%. I have to achieve 99 more as well, because I believe that this is not just an venture for me, but this is a dream of my mentor Ratan Tata sir, that every household or every village in the country should get the medicines at affordable price. So I believe that from my childhood to now, what I have saw and change into the industry, and I believe that childhood for me, that was a normal, coming from a middle class family, and now what I'm doing, I believe that as a person what I have grown in my professional life as well. And as I say that this is not just an venture for me, but this is an mission oriented venture, because when I say that we have to reach out 140 crore of Indian citizens across the nation, and today when I believe that I will be one of the, at my age of 23, whatever I have traveled in the real Bharat, none of the other youngsters would travel in the real Bharat and the interiors of the country.
Correct.
Like if you see, the biggest problem in India today is the smallest part of Agartala, Tripura, Manipur. I recently visited Santri Bazaar. It's one of the smallest part of Agartala. Its Myanmar border is right side and Bangladesh border is on the left side. Over there, the Santri Bazaar population is 10,000 people. Today also they have to go to different villages, different cities to buy the necessary medication, the entire 10,000 people. So we started our store there. So I believe that this is not just an venture, but it's a mission, that in the micro interiors, where today also when we are in 2025, we say that India is a developing country, but today also in the micro interiors, healthcare, which is basic necessity, is a biggest problem, and what I believe that we are solving on. And in coming time, it will be a good kind of chain what will be developing on.
Right. And when you were really young and growing up, what were the few habits that your family, you thought, instilled in you to be the person you are today?
No, I believe the school, families, everyone is an automatically an backbone for developing. And I believe for me, myself, that the exposure what I got, meeting different various people from different industries, and I always believe that the experience what you get it's by meeting different people,
Correct.
different set of people.
Correct.
It may be in the business, entrepreneurship, bureaucratic, political, whatever it may be, that will help you to grow yourself. I believe that from my age of 16 to now at my age of 23, the personal change and the personal mindset what I have changed, it's definitely a lot, because when you travel, you meet new people, you explore the things and what are the real problems. So from my day one to now, I believe that the real core problem of the healthcare we are targeting on. So recently when I was traveling to Kushinagar is in Uttar Pradesh, I figured out over there that there were women's ladies at the age of 30-40s, and they were not, I went to one of the medical store of generic Aadhar pharmacy. Over there, the women were not aware about the sanitary pads, right? We are at 2025. That time I decided that a mission at Generic Aadhar Stree Shakti, we reached out 3 lakh plus women who are the first time beneficiaries, who have not used that, and with our pharmacist help, we are reaching out to the urban, rural part, tribal part, and giving the awareness of that. And we are across India at no cost. At our store, we are giving at 3 rupees. So I believe that this all kind of initiatives will come when we meet people, when we
Correct.
are having the new exposure. We can, when we have the interaction with the people on ground. So I believe that everyone should meet new people, have a tour of the country. That time you'll be having the new ideas what you can build for the future.
Amazing. And at Midas, all these students are between the age of 18 to 24. I wanted to ask you that at what age did you realize that you had a spark in you, and there is something different that you wanted to do in your life?
No, I believe वो अगर दादाजी मुझे तब नहीं मिलते ना,
Right.
I would not build Generic Aadhar.
Right.
सो आई बिलीव दैट कोई भी बड़ा बिजनेस वो बनता है ना, वो एक सिर्फ प्रॉब्लम देखिए, दैट स्पार्क केम इन मी दैट दिस इज नॉट जस्ट एन प्रॉब्लम फॉर वन दादाजी, दिस इज एन प्रॉब्लम फॉर 140 करोड़ ऑफ इंडियन सिटीजन्स. सो आई बिलीव दैट ऑल ऑफ अस विल बी लिविंग विद अवर पेरेंट्स, ग्रैंडफादर, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स एज वेल. महीने का खर्चा विल बी अराउंड 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. ठीक है, वी कैन अफोर्ड. देन टू many of people across the nation cannot afford. You go, now in Pune, we just go 40-50 kilometers away from Pune, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Nashik, Delhi, Bangalore. That is a real Bharat. And today there, every monthly income is around 10-15,000, and 5,000 rupees is just monthly medicine bill. How they can afford?
Correct.
I recently, in my period of building Generic Aadhar, I have met various people having cancer in their house. Costing of medicine every month goes to around 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh rupees. And I'm fortunate enough to bring that cost of 1.5 lakh rupees to around 10,000, 15,000 rupees. So I believe at the age of 23, see, money is a different part. Definitely I'm earning that. But with money, my satisfaction is that जब वो senior citizen सर के ऊपर हाथ रख के कहते हैं कि बेटा आपकी वजह से हमारा हर महीने का पैसा बच रहा है. तो मुझे लगता है हम आई थिंक यू ऑल बी शेयरिंग द सेम एज ग्रुप, वी शुड डेवलप और बिल्ड समथिंग दैट कैन क्रिएट एंड चेंज, दैट कैन क्रिएट एन इम्पैक्ट.
Right.
सो आई बिलीव दैट impact is one of the important thing what should be in our vision always.
Amazing. And see, they call the pharma industry a very complex sort of an industry. How did you crack this industry is very important, because it's not easy.
फॉर एन फैक्ट आई विल से दैट जितना नॉलेज मुझे आज है, अगर मुझे मेरे 16 साल की उम्र में होता,
Right.
मैं कभी जनरिक आदर की शुरुआत नहीं करता. बिकॉज मुझे अगर तब समझता कि इतने लोग इसमें इन्वॉल्व होते हैं,
Right.
इतनी बड़ी इंडस्ट्री है, सो मुझे कभी हिम्मत ही नहीं आती वो चीज़ शुरू करने की. आई बिलीव दैट द बिगेस्ट plus point what was I having at that point of time, that I was not having a knowledge. I just saw a problem and I focus on solving it on the ground level.
Correct.
I started from one store and I scale up to now 4,000 stores. So it was a journey.
Yeah.
मुझे पता होता ना, आप नहीं हिम्मत कर सकते थे. So मुझे लगता है it is really very important that if you grow with the time, and that will help you to be a better entrepreneur.
Yeah.
And entrepreneur, in entrepreneurship, the second word is execution.
Correct.
So ideas तो हम सबके पास है, everyone will be having ideas, but हम लोग क्या है, अभी if I am speaking with you all, 2 दिन के लिए यहाँ पर सबको मोटिवेशन है, इंस्पिरेशन है, अच्छे लगता है. बट आई बिलीव दो सच में जो इंस्पिरेशन मोटिवेशन है, व्हेन वी स्टार्ट एंड व्हेन पीपल आर, वी आर हैविंग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ पीपल. सो टुडे आई एम हैविंग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ 10,000 पीपल अक्रॉस द नेशन हु वी हैव क्रिएटेड डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट जॉब एम्प्लॉयमेंट्स. सो आई बिलीव दैट वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी से मोटिवेशन मिलता है.
Right.
सो आई बिलीव वो करना
I think
चाहिए.
action orientation or a belief that we are doing something good for the people
Correct.
is what kept you going.
I believe, yeah.
Amazing. And you also would have faced a lot of issues while starting this. So how did you overcome these obstacles while Generic Aadhaar was actually getting built?
So I believe that at my very early stage, मतलब बिकॉज ऑफ माई एज, मतलब आई बिलीव दैट लोग नहीं ट्रस्ट करते थे. मतलब आज आप भी किसी से बात करने, इफ़ यू गो इन मार्केट एंड इफ़ यू से अबाउट योर आइडियाज और समथिंग लाइक दैट, पीपल वोंट ट्रस्ट यू ईजिली. मुझे लगता है कि यू हैव टू टेक दैट रिस्क इन द स्टार्टिंग फेज. वॉट आई डिड ऑन माई फर्स्ट स्टोर व्हेन आई convince them that you have to aggregate with Generic Aadhaar, I told them I am investing 15,000-20,000 rupees on you. I will make a good branding for you. I will go and tell customers how affordable products we can give at your store. मुझे लगता है कि वो उनको जो मैंने बोला कि अगर प्रॉफिट हुआ तो वो आपका है, लॉस हुआ तो वो मेरा है. जाएंगे तो 15-20 हज़ार मेरे जाएंगे, नहीं चला तो. सो आई बिलीव दैट वो पहले स्टोर ने मुझे बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट दिया. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट जो मैं 200-300 मैंने व्हाट आई हैव डिड ऑन इन माई 2-3 months दैट टाइम, उनको इंटरेस्ट डेवलप हुआ वो एक स्टोर देखने के बाद. सो आई बिलीव दैट यू हैव टू प्रूव योर सेल्फ इन फ्रंट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. अगर जैसे कि मेरे पास में सिर्फ आइडिया होता एंड रतन टाटा सर को अगर मैं बोलने भी चाहता, सो ही वोंट इन्वेस्ट और मेंटर मी.
Correct.
Ideas everyone has. So I believe that the good point what I had on, I started that and I built that. उसके बाद में रतन टाटा सर को बहुत अच्छा लगा मेरा TEDx talk देखने के बाद. So I believe that was a process and I believe that you should enjoy that process in an entrepreneurship journey. And वो आपको जो 1-2 साल का जो एक बहुत अच्छा लगता है, मतलब वो अब मतलब when I go back, जो 1-2 साल ने मुझे सिखाया, वो मेडिकल्स टू मेडिकल जाके रिटेलर से बात करना, उनका माइंडसेट समझना, मुझे लगता है आज मैं वो नहीं सीख सकता.
Right.
बिकॉज इंडिया इकोनॉमी इज बिन बेस्ड ऑन अवर रिटेलर्स एंड इफ वी लर्न देयर माइंडसेट, हमको एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में और किसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत नहीं है.
So on field जाना जरूरी.
ऑन फील्ड जाना, लोगों से बात करना. एक रिटेलर हु इज द बैकबोन ऑफ द इकोनॉमी,
Yeah.
वो क्या सोचता है.
Yeah.
मुझे लगता है मेरे वो 200-300 विजिट्स ने मुझे वो सिखाया कि मैन्युफैक्चरिंग से लेके एक ग्राउंड का रिटेलर जो प्रोडक्ट लोगों तक पहुंचाता है, वो क्या सोचता है.
Amazing.
सो आई बिलीव दैट वी हैव टू गो इनटू द कोर ऑफ द बिजनेस एंड दैट विल हेल्प अस टू गेट अ गुड वेंचर.
I'm good. And Arjun, when did you realize that this was not just say a business for you but a national movement? Was there a turning point that you felt, यार ये तो movement हो गया?
So I believe that my first TEDx talk when I
Yeah.
was just 17.
Yeah.
So my TEDx talk was organized in Bangalore. My first TEDx talk, मतलब मेरा first public appearance था, and मैं बहुत ज़्यादा nervous था तब, and that was held in Bangalore. So मेरा first TEDx talk आज भी उनके official website पे it's one of the most viewed.
Right.
That how an 17 years old kid changing the dynamics of pharma industry.
Correct.
And that was saw by Ratan Tata sir that time, and he invited me to meet him in his office. My first meeting was arranged with Ratan Tata sir just for 20 minutes,
Okay.
and that went to around 2 hours 30 minutes.
Amazing.
My first meeting itself, and in my first meeting itself he mentioned that, Arjun, this is not just an venture, but this is an dream what I have saw from many years, and what you are making it come true. I just don't want to invest, but I also wanted to mentor you personally. So that time मुझे लगता है 18 साल के बच्चे के लिए किसी महान इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट ने ये बोलना ही बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. So I believe that that was a time that एक responsibility I felt on, and from there I'm not saying that we have reached many numbers. It's just a start and many more to go.
How did that meeting with Ratan Tata actually impact you as a human being? Because I'm sure it was so beautiful in its own way. So, I mean, I can see through the video also that you admire him a lot. And how did that change your mindset?
No, Ratan Tata sir, these 3 words are not just in words for me, that is in my emotions. Because आप समझिए ना, एक आप 18 साल के हो, जब स्कूल कॉलेज से बाहर निकल रहे हो और तब आपको किसी ने सपोर्ट किया, आपको आपके पैरों पे खड़ा किया, सो दैट काइंड ऑफ सपोर्ट इज डिफरेंट. I believe that he have done that, and the humanity what he hold. मतलब I will just share 2-3 kind of things. मतलब when I went to meet him first time at his home, he invited me to meet at his home. That time हमको सबको लगा हो, मतलब लगता है कि he is such a big industrialist or something like that. I was very nervous that time to go to his home, and that was a time I just rang the bell at his door. हमको सबका लगेगा कि बहुत सारे लोग आएंगे, ऐसा करेंगे, and he was a person waiting for me to open the door. So that is the simplicity what he hold. That is the humanity. So मुझे लगता है रतन टाटा सर से वो हमको सबको सीखना चाहिए. Not just an business, but an humanity. And I believe that अगर कोई भी चीज़ आप business के साथ साथ impact से करते हैं ना, so वो आपको mindset आपका change करता है.
Amazing. बहुत ब्यूटीफुल स्टोरी थी ये. सो और एक जो चीज़ ध्यान में आती है कि आपके बिजनेस में सस्टेनेबिलिटी होती है, एथिक्स होते हैं, अफोर्डेबिलिटी होती है, इस सबको आप कैसे मैनेज करते हो?
So I believe that from the day one, Generic Aadhar is a profitable venture.
Right.
So as an every entrepreneur, I always say that आप कभी भी losses मत करना, क्योंकि if you have seen in past that funding should not be our what I can say liability. Funding will be an byproduct. आज हमारे मतलब in Generic Aadhar also, Beyond Next Ventures, जापान के leading venture capital firm है, they have invested. I have not went to them that you come and invest. They have approached, they invested. And now with that I have created employments in India. So when our youth are going abroad,
Right.
I am bringing the forex in India and giving employment over there. So I believe that हमारे youngsters के पास में talent है.
Yeah.
But we have to give them and good direction. What you, I think from your kind of university is मतलब are doing on. So I believe that मुझे लगता है कि वो एक mindset का चीज़ है and वो हमको करना चाहिए. And profitability is an core from your business that will give you to new heights.
सो प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी से शर्माना नहीं है कभी.
नहीं, क्यों शर्माना है? मतलब बिजनेस तो उसी के लिए करना है ना.
Absolutely.
अगर सी if I am not doing profits, how I can reach 140 crore of Indian citizens? Not possible.
100%.
So I always say for any entrepreneur journey that आप एक जन से 1 करोड़ मत कमाना, आप 140 करोड़ से 1-1 रुपया कमाना. मतलब मुझे लगता है वो मैं कर रहा हूँ एंड मुझे लगता है लोगों को उससे बहुत हेल्प होती है. एंड फॉर बिजनेस ऑल्सो वी आर ग्रोइंग.
Correct.
दैट इज एन इकोसिस्टम ना. सो दैट इज द थिंग.
So the beautiful part about you that I noticed is that एक बहुत practical personality आप में है, but there is a lot of empathy in you as well, because such a problem can be only learned through empathy. So I wanted to understand that social impact आपके मन में क्या है, जो आप impact आज create कर रहे हो, वो आप socially कैसे impact कर रहे हो लोगों को?
So I believe that socially Generic Aadhar venture is an automatically and social impact venture itself.
Right.
Because from each and every store of Generic Aadhar every day, minimum if you see around 200-300 patients are getting the medicines.
Correct.
Earlier what the costing was around 5,000-6,000. With an proof we are giving them at around 800 rupees, 900 rupees.
Yes.
Okay. So my belief is that if we cannot increase the income source of the citizens, we have to bring down the expense source of the citizens.
Correct.
Okay, so at Generic Aadhar I am focusing on bringing the expenses.
Right.
So eventually that is helping them for good livelihood. That is the thing.
And if you would want to change something in the healthcare industry today, what would that be? If, you had a chance.
So
to do that.
recently, matlab when I was traveling to northeastern side, that today also if you see that people are really worried to go to doctors to buy the necessary, matlab to have the consultation or something like that, because the consultation fee is around 200, 300, 400 rupees, and for any people in the rural part, they don't afford that. I saw a surprising fact that जो वुमेन्स होती हैं, नहीं तो जो एज होल्ड के लोग होते हैं, दे आर स्केर्ड, एंड उसके वजह से डायबिटीज़, ब्लड प्रेशर, हाइपरटेंशन, गैस्ट्रो, कार्डियक, ये जो सब बीमारी है उनको अगर 5-6 सालों से उनको पता ही नहीं चलती है.
राइट.
ठीक है. व्हाट वी स्टार्टेड ऑन आरोग्य केंद्र, एक मॉडल व्हाट वी लॉन्च. We recently are having 5-8 stores of Arogya Kendra. What we are having a doctor in that. Free consultation to every citizens. In the smallest rural part. सो आई बिलीव ये मुझे और बढ़ाना है, बिकॉज अगर डॉक्टर के पास आप जाएंगे ही नहीं, उनसे बात ही नहीं करेंगे, यू वोंट नो दैट व्हाट प्रॉब्लम योर बॉडी इज हैविंग.
Correct.
If you don't get the right medication at right time, that will impact your life.
Correct.
So मुझे लगता है छोटी छोटी initiatives हैं, and I believe that that can shape the healthcare industry in future.
Amazing. And you know, there's been a lot of rapid growth that you have seen in the last few years. So how do you keep in touch with the purpose, the values, the belief that you started this entire mission?
I believe that mission is the same from the day one and now, and it will be till I reach out to the last mile of the country. Because generic Aadhaar, that is the core of generic Aadhaar.
Yeah.
So if we are on the core of generic Aadhaar, so definitely matlab, the belief will be the same what I have.
Right. So you are saying that you will never want to change that mission.
सी एक होता है ना कि हम लोग काम जब कर रहे हैं, सुबह उठने के बाद में ना मुझे खुशी होती है रोज.
Right. Right.
ठीक है, व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता कभी कि यार मैं आज क्यों उठ रहा हूँ और 10 मिनट सोता हूँ, नहीं लगता. मैं सच, आई एम ऑनेस्ट विथ यू, बिकॉज जो मैं व्हाट आई एम वर्किंग, आई एम हैविंग द हैप्पीनेस ऑफ दैट. सो वो क्यों आता है, क्योंकि आप वो इम्पैक्ट सॉल्व कर रहे हैं.
Correct. और आप
अभी
एक
जस्ट
purpose के
मैं
साथ हैं.
अभी आपको मैं वीडियो दिखाता हूँ. अभी जस्ट एक इवेंट था लोनावला साइड में, जस्ट आई वेंट ओवर दैट, हेल्थ का और मतलब पब्लिक का था. 100 से ज़्यादा सीनियर सिटीजन्स थे. अभी मेरे इसमें वीडियोज़ है. 100 से ज़्यादा सीनियर सिटीजन्स अभी मुझे बोल रहे हैं कि बेटा आपकी वजह से हमारा ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है, ऐसा हो रहा है, आप बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हो. मुझे बताइए इससे ज़्यादा आपको खुशी की बात कभी हो सकती है? सो आई बिलीव दैट इज मतलब आप एक ओरिएंटेशंस के साथ में काम करिए, एक विजन के साथ में काम करिए, डेफिनेटली यू कैन स्केल योर वेंचर्स टू न्यू हाइट्स.
एंड जब आपको कभी कभी ये भी लगता होगा ना कि लाइक अभी जस्ट एनर्जी की बात हुई कि सुबह उठता हूँ तो काम पे जाने का मन करता है. सो कभी कभी होता है कि आप ये एनर्जी लूज आउट करते हो और उसको कब कैसे चार्ज करते हो उस एनर्जी को अगेन, या काम पे ही जाते हो?
एनर्जी देने वाला वो है, वो देता है तो हम करते, मतलब प्रैक्टिकली मैं भी कल वापस रात से आया आउट ऑफ इंडिया से, आज सुबह से चल रहा हूँ.
Right.
सो मुझे लगता है चलाने वाले तो वो है, हम लोग कुछ नहीं. सो मुझे लगता है आई थिंक वो बिलीव होना चाहिए, एंड यू हैव टू वर्क. आपको ब्लेसिंग्स मिलता जाता है, आपकी एनर्जी ऑटोमेटिकली चार्ज होती जाती है. एंड वो देखिए हमारे हाथ में, आप सोचिए ना 16 ईयर्स में वो नहीं हो सकता किसी से.
राइट.
दैट वॉज एन प्रोसेस. हमको मेहनत करनी, वी हैव टू डू एन हार्ड वर्क. But I believe that if you are having that passion inside you, things will, मतलब every door will be open for you.
Arjun, what kind of people do you select to have in your team?
I believe vision होना, मतलब vision के साथ साथ उनका dedication होना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
Right.
मैं पर्सनली मानूंगा कि सिर्फ पीपल से नहीं होता, बट वो एक विजन जब उनमें होता है, दैट कैन चेंज योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. बट आप सिस्टम ऐसा बनाइए, यू शुड नॉट डिपेंड ऑन पीपल. मतलब आप एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में एवरीवन विल बी हैविंग, यू शुड हैव एन सिस्टम इन्वॉल्व इनटू योर वेंचर सच अ वे दैट इफ वन इज गोइंग, अदर शुड हैंडल दैट इवेंचुअली. आई बिलीव आपके सबके यहाँ पर फैमिली ओन बिजनेसेस यू मस्ट बी हैविंग. सो आई थिंक दिस विल बी वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम फॉर यू एज वेल. People come, people go, people come, people go. But I think the system is something that if your organization and the tech, at Generic Aadhaar we have built such a good tech. So every retailer who are onboarded with us, from patient prescription to purchase sales, everything has been under one tech. So if the retailers is in the BR, Darbhanga, Siful, Madhubani, wherever in Tamil Nadu, Salem, Erode, Coimbatore, wherever, over there every tracking is at our head office.
Lovely.
That kind of ecosystem, and with the help of tech what we have built on. So मुझे लगता है वो tech oriented businesses what we should have on.
Right. So technology is a huge part of Generic Aadhaar as well. And
of course, today आपको अगर scale करना है, so technology should be a backbone of any business.
And how does AI impact this company?
So now see, basically if we know that you are a patient of diabetes,
Right.
okay, so we suggest you from our AI that what kind of more medications you should have on.
Got it.
Which will help to improve your health.
Right.
So that our AI works on back integration what we have done on.
Right.
We have directly, मतलब आज कोई भी छोटे मतलब smallest village से लेके कहीं पर we have started paperless billing. Direct WhatsApp bill चला जाता है. So we know that if you are buying the medicines from Generic Aadhaar, how much you are saving on monthly basis.
Amazing.
So that kind of, see, that is a process. आपको चीज़ समझती 2 साल पहले नहीं था, मुझे सब चीज़ समझी, आई स्टार्टेड इम्प्लीमेंटिंग ऑन द सेम.
Right.
Small things change your huge value to a venture.
एंड आज के तारीख पे यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स जो अपनी कोई प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना चाहते हैं या बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं, व्हाट वुड योर मैसेज बी टू देम?
आई बिलीव फॉर स्टार्टिंग एनी वेंचर, आप 16 साल के हो कि आप 60 साल के हो, that doesn't make any kind of difference. I believe start a venture when you saw the real burning problem. That spark आपको जब आता है कि नहीं, this is the सच में burning problem what I have to solve on.
Yes.
That will be a day when you should start your venture on.
Beautiful.
आप सिर्फ शुरू करने के लिए मत करिए, उसमें एक impact और उसमें एक changing point which can change the life of some people as well. You start now. Definitely it will give you a new success.
Beautiful. So to end the podcast, because you've been absolutely bang on every answers, one of the quickest Q&As that I've had, but I wanted to do a fun rapid fire with you to know the person that you are. And one of the first questions, so are you ready, Arjun, for the rapid
please.
fire? Describe yourself in one word.
Innovator.
One book or a person that shaped you the most?
0 to 1.
Tea or coffee?
T.
A quality in people you instantly admire?
Simplicity.
A quality in people you instantly dislike?
Attitude.
If you weren't an entrepreneur, what would you be?
What would I
Be.
be like whom?
Yes.
Ratan sir, of course.
No, I'm saying if you were not an entrepreneur, आप क्या करते? Would you be an engineer?
No, I don't have any plan B in my life. Because अगर हमारे पास में plan B हो तो हमको खुद के ऊपर भरोसा नहीं है. So whatever plan we are having, we should stick to that.
Stick to that. One thing India has better than the rest of the world.
Of course, yes.
What is it that you think is better than the rest of the world?
Our youth.
Youth. One thing you can't live without.
Generic Adar.
Your biggest strength?
Generic Adar.
One rule you live by.
Impact.
One thing you wish young India focused more on.
Youth development.
Youth development. A habit you think every leader must build.
I believe that one word answer won't be there. I think there are different kind of aspects of it. So every leader should work. मतलब मुझे लगता, I believe that every day in entrepreneurship is a new day. Every problem what we get should be solved in different way.
Right.
So I believe that is only a quality of a leader.
To adapt.
Adapt fast.
Be fast.
That is
Perfect. A habit you think every leader has to leave or ignore or not have. Sometimes leaders choose to be certain sort of people. What would you say कि नहीं होना चाहिए ऐसे आपने?
आपको जो चीज़ अच्छी लग रही है do that. अगर नहीं अच्छी लग रही है मत करो.
Beautiful.
एंड करने के लिए कर रहे हो तो आप लीडर ही नहीं हो.
Beautiful.
मतलब प्रैक्टिकली है.
सही है.
So that is the thing.
One myth about success you wish people would stop believing.
सक्सेस कभी नहीं होता. I believe that success is just a word and entrepreneur is never successful. That is a process what you have to build yourself on.
Right.
And that will only reach you to new heights.
One message you want every young Indian to hear today.
I believe that now is a decade of India, Bharat. I always say that last 10-15 years, if you see, China was having a youth population more than India, and they focus on building the youth, not their liability, but as an asset.
Right.
If our Indian next decade build our youth as their asset, मुझे लगता है हमको US नहीं, but हमको इंडिया बनने से कोई नहीं रोक सकता.
Beautiful.
So I believe that our Indian youth have a huge talent, huge potential, but the energy should get in direction.
Got it.
So I believe that the universities like you are doing that, so it's really hats off to that.
Thank you so much, Arjun. It was lovely making this beautiful conversation. Can we have a round of applause for him? Thank you for watching till the end. Please subscribe and like our channel. Today we've learned that impact, purpose, passion, and of course having the ethics and the beliefs to carry on what you started out as a mission is something truly comes through action. To the entrepreneurs and the young generation of today, I hope that Arjun has really inspired you to do some impactful work of tomorrow. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. See you soon.